What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. I know I haven't been posting kind of like long time, but here was a reason. I was doing my job. My job is pretty hard. But anyway, let's not talk about me. Let's talk about trading. So, what happens is at the same time I start my new challenge, and that's gonna be a blue guardian prop firm challenge. So it's gonna I took like a $10,000 just to have some fun. So let me just show you guys my stats. Yeah, I'm gonna give you real quick a brief, because right now I'm sitting on my trade also on this one. So I trying to get like 1-to-1 real quick 1-to-1. Today's Friday, so I don't want to stay in the trade for too long. But anyway, I stick to my plan, so I don't really care. But anyway, guys, let's get to this history, yeah, and let's see what happened here, yeah. So basically here we got first one. It's been a loss. Let's just go move back, yeah. That was on the 16th. Oh, you can't see, guys. I just want to be like transparent or something like that. Let me just move that here so everybody can see my stats here. So basically this was my first trade. That was on the 8th of February, yeah. 8th of February. Let me just grab this. And this is the trade I'm sitting right now on. So on the 8th, everything started on the 8th. I'm gonna go real quick on my trades, so I won't take too long, guys. I won't take too long. But anyways, so basically, yeah, here I took a sell, yeah, and it's been a loss. How you can see here, it's been a loss. First one, -1%, yeah. But and then I give a second chance. Who don't know me, I trading break and retest, and I'm always trying to give like 2 chances. If the first one is a loss, then I'm gonna give one more try. If the second one is a loss, I just call it a day. But let's just move on and see, yeah. So the first one is being a loss, and then I enter one more time in another position, also on the hold on the 8th, yeah, on the 8th is in this one, and then the second one also on the 8th. Yeah, this one, and this one has been pretty solid. Oh, sorry guys, let me just grab this one. So this one has been pretty solid, but the thing is with that, it hit my TP, and I was trying to targeting these lows, and unfortunately it just reversed and came back, because out of 1-to-1 I moved my stop loss to break even, so came back and stopped me at the break even. Fair enough, I kind of lost that day, so it is what it is. And then the second one, it went, that was on the 9. On the 9, what happened on the 9? Let's see. I had like on the 9, let's see, 3 trades, yeah. I'm gonna explain you guys why here is 3 trades. 3 trades is just because I open it up, you see this is a limit order. So sometimes it can be 3 because I do take partial profits. But anyway, yeah, here it was like, on the 9th, I took like full TP, you see, 150. Basically, I'm risking 1%, which is $100, to gain like 1.5, yeah? And how we did that is very simple. On the 9th, very simple. Here I enter a trade, stop loss above these highs, somewhere here. And a 1-to-1, I took partial profits, like half of my deposition. I moved my stop loss to break even, and then the price went down and hit my TP. I think it was something like here, yeah, with this candle. Yeah, came here, took this low, this one, took this low, went to risk to reward, full profit hit, which was $150, yeah. Everything was fine. Then I took another entry. We had 3 trades, but that's like kind of also is kind of 2 tries, but obviously I was moving the stocks. But let me explain you what actually happened, yeah. So I had here 2 trades, yeah. let's just go back to trading view, and that was on the 14th. Okay, 12, here was an odd day, 13, crazy day. So yeah, here was a very solid guys. I was basically targeting these lows, but unfortunately I entered a trade. It went almost hitting my TP, yeah, but unfortunately it didn't, and it reversed back. So I thought it's still gonna come back and hit my TP, but unfortunately not. Came and stopped me out full stop loss, which means this is the greed is called. This is the greed, but the greed is painful. So I lost 1%, which is, let's see, it was full minus 1%, yeah? Yeah. And then what I did, I give a second try, yeah? I enter again, and it went literally straight to one because I was kind of targeting the same lows, but unfortunately it didn't get up to, it went straight to the profit. At a 1-to-1 I took a partial profit, which means I took 50% of the table, and I moved my stop loss and break even. So it just, how you can see here on the charts, reversed, stopped me out. You see, with this candle, reverse stopped me out, and that's why here is kind of like a $9 loss. It is what it is. I don't complain. We move on. It was like 0.5% down for the day. I call it a day. I was fine. I don't really care about losses anymore. Before I used to, but that's like another topic I'm gonna cover next. So let's move on, and the next one is gonna be on the 15th, which was yesterday, guys. Yesterday we had a pretty decent also day. So basically here, very simple, I enter a trade, move straight away to profit. Here at the 1-to-1 at the previous high, I took 0.5% off, which you can see right here. And then $100, because I left a runner and I wanted to, I took another, I closed literally everything. So far for the week, I'm 1% up. So it's not too bad, man. It's not too bad. I still like go, and today is like this trade, I mean. So for now, for example, for my plan, yeah, for my plan, to be honest, it's literally to target this low. Very simple, and this is gonna be like a 1 to 2, yeah, 1 to 2. If this price action we're gonna hit down at least to those lows, because here is also a support. So don't forget about it. Here is should be a 1-to-1, yeah. At a 1-to-1, if it gets here, I'm gonna close half of the position, move my stop loss to beautiful break even, and I'm gonna let everything right to this place. If that will happen, I'm gonna be glad, because I will gonna be for the week 2.5 up. If not, then it is what it is. If it's gonna be a loss, I'm gonna still open my second trade, because guys, it's very important to stick to your plan. Even if I'm gonna be a break-even day, or maybe just gonna be 1% down, then it is what it is. That's my strategy, and I'm trying to stick to it. So yeah, guys, if you like this type of video, guys, feel free to comment down below, to like it, and let me know if you do like those type of breakdowns. And see you guys in my next video. Peace and love. I'm out.